We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to try to hold support here above the 12-cent area. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 2:15 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., continuing to fight to hold support. We're going to talk about the key levels I would watch with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator since 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., doing a full transition here from bright green bars to white with red borders on the 15-minute chart on 42 vision, and back up so far to bright green and dark green bars in today's after hours. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., under a bear indicator at around the 12.96 area. I would just round that up to 13 cents in today's pre-market after getting a bull indicator at the 13-cent area, canceling yesterday's bull indicator, and outflows continue to dominate. As I stated in yesterday's video, these inflow versus outflows are going to be crucial. And here we are, slightly above 13 cents. And if this continues into tomorrow, it's going to be crucial for these inflows to try to pick up here on the 30-minute as well as on the 15-minute and cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. So definitely something to not overlook here, how quickly things have bounced back up, even though a bull indicator has not popped up and these inflows have not started to pick up traction. Now, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see in the bigger picture, there's a bear indicator up here since the 14-cent area. It's tried coming back up to 14 cents and rejected multiple times. And here we are trying to consolidate and hold above the 12.50 area. a crucial support level to not ignore. And also in the volatility of the 15-minute, it is now under a bull indicator in the pre-market and doing that full transition so far from the dip area to the rip area in the end of the day. But these inflows continue really close to the midpoint here, but still below, guys. This needs to cross over to continue to reflect any further strength here into these charts and possibly roll over that strength into the 30-minute. Now, what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is the 1250 area. It touched it in today's pre-market and it's bounced off of it yesterday, and the recent lows down here of the 1250 area on Monday. It's been a crucial area of support. It definitely needs to be held. 3 times it's been touched, and it's going to be critical if these outflows continue to the downside or below the midpoint on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 1 hour, and these bear indicators continue to hold. Well, then the next support below that is the 10-cent area, and then the 8-cent area. I would not ignore it. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to try to head towards the midpoint, hold this bull indicator true from around the 1275 area on the 15-minute, continue this staircase effect to retest key resistance levels. Like I stated earlier in the video, roll over that strength into the 30-minute to continue this staircase effect and go ahead and cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, continue to the upside, and get these inflows moving as well from red to green. And the first resistance is the 1380 area. Multiple rejections up at this area, and then above that comes the 15-cent area, a crucial level where things try to hold themselves up before falling any lower in the last several days and weeks. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside, and if 15 cents can get broken through, the next area is 16 cents. That's that tight range to the upside and to the downside. I'll keep a close eye on. The inflow versus outflow is going to be crucial and critical, as well as the bull and bear indicators. I would not ignore them and pay close attention to them going into tomorrow. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market. And from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in, and now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market, and I stated, right, you could see the same line there, and I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449, and I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support, and there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area, and the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed a cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over, and you could see the purple area that continued to act like support, and NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you could see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area, and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, They're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal. And from there, it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it can happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.